Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can schedule a post on LinkedIn. So let's begin the video. Here I have signed in to my LinkedIn account, and make sure you are in the home page. Now in order to schedule a post, first of all you need to create a post. So we are going to click on start a post. Now you can schedule a text post, an image post, video post, or even a carousel post. So let me enter my content right here. Once you have added your content for the post, in order to schedule it, beside the post button you will see a clock icon. Click on it. Here it will show you your date and time, and this will be based on your region. So since I am living in Pakistan, my time is in Pakistan Standard Time. So I will select the date and time in which I want to publish or schedule my post. The day is today and the time is 6 p.m. Pakistan Standard Time. After that I am going to click on next. It will ask you to review your post once again. After that click on schedule. You can see post scheduled. You can click on the view scheduled post button as well. And here you can see it is showing that my post is scheduled for June 11 at 6 p.m. So this is how you can schedule a post on LinkedIn. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe